The heart is one of the single most vital organs of the body. If any one thing goes wrong and it stops beating, life stops. I know this from experience. Your heart is the center of your cardiovascular center. It is vital that it works and functions properly. Today, the purpose of this speech is to demonstrate the blood flow of the heart. Not just through the heart, but how it gets oxygenated through your lungs and then how it sends back through the body. I'm going to first explain why there are blue and red veins. The blue indicates deoxygenated blood. The red also demonstrates oxygenated blood. So the heart, blood comes in from all aspects of the body, from the top and the bottom and your extremities. It comes in or enters the heart through the inferior and superior vena cava. This is deoxygenated blood. Here you see that it's indicated by blue. It enters into the right atrium to begin the cardiac cycle. It then flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle, where the blood is still deoxygenated. It then travels up through the pulmonary vein, pulmonary valve, up to the pulmonary artery, which is the only artery in the entire body that carries deoxygenated blood. It then travels to the lungs, here, as you can see it, where it then becomes oxygenated. Once it gets oxygenated, it goes all the way through to the bottom of the lungs, back up to the pulmonary veins, which again is the only veins in the entire body that carries oxygenated blood. Coming back from the pulmonary veins, it enters into the left atrium. Here, it then travels down to the mitral valve, which is also known as the bicuspid valve, down to the left ventricle, which is considered the workhorse of the heart. Here is where all of the work happens for your heart and your extremities. Once it's down here, it then goes up to the aortic valve, all the way up to your aortic arch, which then goes off into 3 different arteries that then go to the extremities, up to your brain, up to your arms. And here it doesn't indicate, but there is an aortic valve or vein that goes all the way down the back side of your heart that then takes the blood that's oxygenated to your legs. As I said, your heart is the center of your cardiovascular system. It is vitally responsible for just about everything that gives your body life.